Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. Before we move forward, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So we'll start by creating a new project. Now we select empty activity, then I name this project push notification Back4App. And in the next step, we are going to set up our Parse SDK. Click on that I button to see my previous video where I have explained this procedure. I hope that you were able to install Parse SDK on your Android Studio project. Now I will go to my browser and I will go to this website firebase.google.com, and here on the right hand side of the corner I see here go to console. We will click over here, and now I will add my project. I name this project push notification Back4App, and then I click on continue, and I will disable this for now. Then I will click on create project. And here we will continue. And now to get started, I need to click on Android, this logo over here, this icon, and here I need to provide my package name. I will go back to my Android Studio project and copy this package name, and come back and paste this over here. And you can provide your app name and your certificates and all those, and I'm not providing over here, so I click on register app. And now we need to download this file, Google services.json file. I want to save this in my desktop, and then I will go back to my desktop and copy this file, and then I go back to my Android Studio project. Here I need to select project, and here inside this app directory I need to paste here. And now we are going to go to the next step, and here we are going to make sure that inside our build.gradle project, that means inside here we all have these repos. We have this Google, and then I need to add this class path. Next, I need to check all my repos. Then I need to go to my build.gradle module app. This is over here. And now I will add this line into my Android Studio project. here under the dependency section, I add these two dependencies over here. And now I will sync my project. And now I return to my Parse dashboard, and here I click on app settings, and then I go to server settings, and here I will look for notification, Android push notification. I go to settings, again I need to go back to my Firebase account. Here I click on next, and I click on continue. I go to project settings, and here under the cloud messaging tab, I copy this server key and I paste it over here, and GCM ID, this should be the GCM ID, and I paste this over here, and then I click on next. And now I will go to Android manifest.xml file, and here I will declare another metadata. This metadata is for our sender ID, which I will get from our Firebase account. I copy my sender ID and I paste it over here, and then I declare my services and my broadcast receivers. And then I declare my permissions. And next I will again go back to my build.gradle module app, and here I will add another dependencies, and then I sync my project. Now let's go to the app class in which we have initialized our Parse SDK. Here we write this code: parse installation equals to parse installation dot get current installation. Then I put my GCM center ID, which I will get it from my Firebase account. So again I need to put my GCM sender ID, here, and that's it. After that I call installation.saving background. And now let's run our project. And now let's close our app to test our notification. here we come back to our Back4App account, and here is our Parse Server, and here is our dashboard. And now we click on more, and here's an option called push. And now I need to create audience. Let's create audience, and I choose my platform, that is Android. Okay, and I want to use this audience. The new audience has been created, and this is very simple. Here I can get my preview of my notification. Now let's try to push a notification and see whether it's working. First I write hello world, and then I click on send push, and here I received this notification, hello world. Let's try another one. Here I say subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then again I send the push notification, and here I can say the notification, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and another is hello world. So thank you guys for watching.